Hey everyone, AMH Cosplays here, and I have an unusual unboxing for you today because it's an Uncauldroning. Now, you may know that Party City has declared bankruptcy, and there's liquidators at all the stores trying to get rid of everything that they have for really, really cheap prices. And while some of the things aren't quite discounted, like 5% off candy, I mean, really, there are some things that were really on sale. And I know some people out there might like, regarding getting things at Party City, but come on, they are a source of some basic things that you might need for a cosplay shoot, such as, let's see if this works, right? Like, I finally got the big cauldron that I have always wanted to do witch shoots, and heavens knows I've got like 6 different witches with more to come, and this baby, it's a big one, $12. I'm so excited I finally got my cauldron. And now let's see what's inside, because I kind of walked through the store throwing things in the cauldron that I thought might work. For example, I finally have a crowbar for Joker. Woohoo! It's not foam, it's plastic. Wait. But still, I got my crowbar. So that's one. Let's see. All right. So I have a wig all set to be a leprechaun in a couple of months. And I got this. Not that I'm going to wear this. I'm going to take apart and keep little shamrocks and make hairpins for them. So there's that. I got gems because I figure I can either use them for the St. Patrick's Day cosplay or for Ivy. Why not, right? It's like $2. Silvery lashes. Again, not sure if this will work. It was like $2. But since I'm trying to do a diamond version of Emma Frost, I figured give it a shot. If not, well, I tried. Also, speaking of Emma Frost, I have a wig on my stand. You can't see it right now. Ready for me to style, cut, straighten, and then I was going to put moonstone all over it from Colorista and hope for the best, and that's still a possibility. But when I find a cheap tinsley wig that is pretty much the same size, and yes, I did open it and feel it. It's not so bad. It's not like Arda. It's not like 5 wigs. But hey, $7. Never hurts to try. Why put them back in the cauldron when I'm pulling things out of the cauldron? Scarf for St. Patrick's Day. Let's see what else. We got disco balls. You can kind of figure out what cosplay I'm going to be working this with. Let's just say she is just as silvery and glittery as Emma. Let's see. Another set of disco balls because they were cheap. Oh, woohoo. I have been looking for some sort of batarang for a while, and this was like $4. I just have to paint it yellow. And now I have a batarang for Batgirl. I know it's not canon, but at least I've got something to hold instead of going, hi, I'm Batgirl, I've got nothing in my hands, other than my steampunk one, but okay. Let's see. Just because, hey, Leprechaun St. Patrick's Day, it'll be a fun little cosplay. No, I'm not Irish. Eye patch, because for some reason, I always need an eye patch for something, whether it's a pirate or, well, my son's always looking for an eye patch for Majima, and I keep telling him I'm going to give him an eye patch. Well, here we go. Another little cauldron. It was only $2, so why not? Let's see what else. Oh, gems again. St. Patrick's Day gems. Yep, that's pretty much it. St. Patrick's Day gems. I think that was it. All of this was less than $100. All of this was less than $90. It wasn't less than $80, but for crying out loud, all of this stuff, I mean, seriously. Thank you for watching my Uncauldroning. If you have a Party City near you, check it out. What the heck, you know? You never know what you might come across that might be great for a cosplay shoot. Thanks!